Imagine a suture with the properties of a mesh. Imagine a mesh with the placement precision of a suture. Introducing Duramesh, the world's first and only mesh suture. Wound closure with a standard monofilament suture is known to produce tissue tearing, cheese wiring and dehiscence, leading to repair failure. Duramesh has a cylindrical architecture made up of multiple polypropylene filaments, loosely braided around a hollow core. Duramesh feels and handles like a suture. Duramesh's polyfilament mesh body flattens when implanted to distribute forces at the suture tissue interface. In the first 24 hours, 50% of suture tension is lost and the Duramesh body opens. At the suture tissue interface, this loss of suture tension and opening of the Duramesh polyfilament structure allows fibrovascular tissue, the body's natural foreign body response, to incorporate the fine filaments for a strong, early repair. Duramesh provides the perfect combination of simplicity and strength in a repair. Duramesh is available in 4 USP sizes and is supplied in 36-inch lengths. The Duramesh 0, 1 and 2 are supplied with either a large needle for open surgery or a small needle that can fit through an 8mm trocar. Duramesh can be used in a wide range of surgical specialities. Please consult the Duramesh IFU prior to use. Duramesh is now available in the US, EU and UK. For more information, visit meshsuture.com or email info@meshsuture.com.